Hello folks, welcome to Outdoors with Mike again. Cooking shows. Hope this video will be educational for you. In this video you'll see baked spaghetti.
When I pick it up, you'll make on that.
Dig in. April spaghetti recipe. We're gonna cook Michael and April style. We got a little bit of spaghetti left. We're gonna make two, but we only got one. So, and then we're gonna make this macaroni curly one. What is this called?
Fusilli.
Fusilli. April says teamwork. And we got cheese here left.
We're gonna cut that in cubes and put it in here with meat sauce. It'll be good.
Okay, yeah, that's it's still good. 2022 March. We'll use that. And we got 3 sauce left. We got some shredded mozzarella. We got a little bit left. So we'll get that in there too. Yeah, baked spaghetti and fusilli.
Fusilli.
Yeah. And April said April's gonna tell you. So when you have all the stuff you get at the grocery store, you can make a proper dish. So what do you use and what would you have for the proper one if you had everything, April?
If I made a really good adult gourmet spaghetti, I would like cook my meat and then I would put like green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. I would put onion. I would put garlic. I would put couple celery, just like all kinds of yummy vegetables. And I would drain a can of like tomatoes. You know, you buy a can of tomatoes. I would drain it.
Yeah.
I would even put that tomatoes in there. Then I would put oregano, like salt and pepper in my meat sauce. I would buy a nice gourmet meat like this sauce.
The good stuff?
Yeah, I would buy a really good one that has like basil or something.
If you want to make a gourmet,
gourmet one.
Pasta. What is it called again?
Like for adults. This one I always make for kids because kids are picky. Baked spaghetti.
Baked spaghetti. Baked biscotti. Yeah. All right, let's get started. If you had everything, that's the stuff you'll use. What she said.
I'll show you guys one day. It's really yummy.
Yeah. If we get all enough, we'll get some more groceries and we'll show you. We got some hamburgers, so we'll get started.
My kids like it plain, so that's how I make it for my babies.
Alrighty. Alright, folks. We got our meat. Our meat, we'll put it on right here, look.
Okay.
Feeding the kids again. Our meat is in. Our hamburger meat, we got it in. Into our water. We got a little bit of water in there, just so it don't burn.
Just let it cook, folks. Eat it.
And here, we'll put a palm full of salt.
You always want to salt your water before you're cooking pasta.
Yeah. April and Michael style. Teamwork. I'll put more.
Here.
Okay.
Here. This will go in the big pot.
And our spaghetti will go in the big pot. Alright. We got one package we found in the cupboard. Here we got our package.
Fusilli.
We're not sponsored by any products we're using in this video, folks.
Always stir your pasta right away. It's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll come back when it's done.
Okay, we're getting it started.
8 to 10 minutes.
We got our hamburger, our spaghetti, and our fusilli. Alright, folks. Hamburger's coming along, folks. Spaghetti too is coming along. How you test it, April?
People throw it on the wall, but I don't. I just chew it.
And if you throw it on the wall, how do you know it's ready?
It'll stick. See?
Oh, look, it's stick. Is it ready?
That's so dumb. It must be almost ready, but that's
Almost ready. Yeah.
crazy. I'll give it a couple more.
When it's soft, it's ready, I guess. Oh, the fusilli. And beef. You strain that, eh? She'll strain it when it's done.
Like 1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute. It's been in for 10 minutes now. Okay, folks. It's about 12 minutes. It's done.
Our spaghetti's done. So I'm just gonna let, and I think this is crazy, but I'm just gonna let it sit like this, watch, and it's gonna get cold. The hot water is gonna come out and it's gonna stop the cooking process.
What is the reason why you do that?
Because I want it to stop cooking, so when I put it in the oven, it doesn't get like soggy.
Sticky?
Soggy.
Okay.
See how the hot water's running off?
You're just cooling it down,
I'm
eh?
cooling it right off.
Getting the hot water out and getting the cold water in.
Getting the cold water in.
Stopping the cooking process.
Cooking process. Yeah.
So it doesn't get soggy when you put it in the oven. Alright, we'll do the same to that.
Yeah.
Fusilli.
Yeah.
And make sure you guys do that.
And then we'll show the meat.
Then we'll show the meat.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
We'll do that first.
Okay, action. Okay, hamburger's done, folks. We're straining it. Getting the grease out. We don't need the grease in our spaghetti and fusilli. We cooled it off with water. Yeah. There's the show them the grease.
Ooh, yucky.
That's all the grease from the hamburger.
You don't want that. It's gonna hurt your bellies.
All right. Well, now you know what to do so far. We'll continue with the next step. All right, folks. We got our hamburger strained. Thick and rich original is going into the dish. Mike and April style. Cooking for kids. All right. Here, last can, third can, folks. All right, there we go. We'll turn it back on. Alrighty, we'll get it mixed up.
Just warm it for a couple minutes and it'll be done.
Warm it for a couple of minutes till it boils. It'll be done. All right, we'll continue with the next step.
Wipe the mess.
Okay, folks. Okay, folks. The hamburger it start popping a little bit and it's good. And we're gonna preheat the oven to 375.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We'll get it mixed up now. All right, folks. We'll get the cheese ready. How did you want it, April?
Like
This way?
cubes? Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
About there?
No. Yeah, a little bigger. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Smaller?
Keep going. We'll use
Oh.
all of it. Baby will eat this.
Okay, right there. Okay. Right there's our cheese, folks.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, everyone wants me to cut it this way now.
Eat that cheese.
Look, that small. All right, folks.
Okay.
We're ready to mix it. April's gonna show us.
This one I can use all, probably.
Oh yeah, you need it all.
So, yeah.
Okay. Okay, just use your mind and your feeling.
Maybe
What's
not
right,
really.
yeah.
My hands
Yeah.
are clean. Don't
Yeah.
worry, I really...
Okay, folks, the spaghetti is going in. April's using her spaghetti scooper. All right, the sauce is going in. I'll get out of the light. Hamburger and spaghetti sauce. Thick and rich, original.
Okay, we're
You can buy the good stuff if you
little bit for...
if you like.
Pass me a towel.
All right, it's going in. There it is, folks.
Sweet.
We'll get it spread out. She's mixing it together, getting a good consistency.
I can't record that.
Okay.
Oh, like you gotta mix it right good to the bottom.
Why is that?
Because I want it good.
Good, I'm gonna say. And this side. So what's good?
No, I just want it. Oh.
More meat you can use too, eh?
Yeah, that's why I put a little aside, but I'm gonna
If we had more meat, would
I'm
we
gonna
use
top
it?
it with some meat sauce there.
Okay.
Just wait. I got some meat sauce left there.
All right, that's it. We got it mixed up.
Okay, we'll be
What's the next
Oh, no.
step?
pause first. Our cubed up cheese
Yeah,
is going in.
that's the next step.
I washed my hands again. Because I'm gonna mix it right in there.
She's lying.
I'm cooking for the kids, not for Michael, so I washed them good. It's gonna get really cheesy in there.
Might as well put the rest. You got a little bit.
I'm thinking in the spaghetti.
Oh,
little bit?
no.
No?
Go ahead.
Okay, let's do it then.
Yeah,
Don't
because
make
it's not
different,
enough.
yeah.
We only got a little bit.
Okay.
You could use some
now-
mozzarella.
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 Mozzarella. You could use for that one.
Okay, now let's top it. Oh, wait. Sorry. I always put a little bit on top. Just a little bit of left. Right.
Okay.
Just to
Going
even
fast
it
so
out.
to make the video short.
Hang on. Just to even it out a little bit.
You can make the good gourmet dish with all the vegetables that Abel
Yeah.
showed you in the
Shredded
beginning of the movie video.
And I use lots of cheese.
We buy the no name, it's cheaper.
And it's the same.
2 for what is it?
And it's the same.
2 for what? 10?
It's the same
Yeah,
as the
2 for 10.
$20 cheese.
Yeah. I always buy the no name. It's good as the.
Okay, we're
good
gonna
stuff.
bake that for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna broil the top to brown the cheese.
Okay, we'll get
Understand?
it.
We're gonna cook it on 375 for about 15 minutes. Just to warm it out throughout the pan. So it's hot all over. 15
Oh, looks
minutes
so
on
good so
375. 15-20 minutes on 375. Then we'll come brown the cheese.
How to make baked spaghetti
And bake fusilli.
and baked fusilli. All right, we'll get it in the oven. Michael style. Okay, thank you. We'll continue the process.
Okay, it's done. So you can tell because it's brown. See, it's brown. It's done.
On the edges.
It's bubbling. See, you see the bubbles?
Let's see.
It's done. It's been about 20 minutes. Now we just want to brown the cheese. Look, we're gonna broil
Bubbling.
it. I'm going over here. I'm turning it to broil, and I'm gonna turn it all the way up, and I'm gonna watch it. Never leave your food. Always watch your cooking.
How long do you think
About till it's brown.
till the top's brown?
Yeah, 5
Okay.
minutes, maybe not even, depending on your stove.
Fusilli and spaghetti. Okay, guys, it's done.
Take it out.
It's brown and on top. Look at that, the fusilli. Okay, we'll take it out before it burns. There, oh, look at that.
Wasn't even 5 minutes.
You can put more. Yeah,
watch.
wasn't even 5 more minutes. We'll shut off the oven. And we'll let it cool down, folks, and we'll try it out. Looks so delicious already. Okay, folks, it's cooled down. April's gonna cut it. Can I have some?
No.
Oh, it looks so delicious.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Now this one here. I want some of that one. Baked spaghetti. How to cook baked spaghetti. Hope this video was educational in some way. That's loud. Looks so delicious.
You gotta cut it good, or you're gonna, when I pick it up, you'll make a mess. Uh-oh.
Okay, folks, we'll dig in April spaghetti recipe. All right, folks, let's have a try. Still hot. I know it's gonna be delicious. Look at that. So good.
It's hot.
Mmm. Oh, look at that hamburger. Mmm. Excellent again. All right, folks, we're trying the fusilli now.
It should be
There it is. Wow.
Cheesy in there because we put cheese blocks, remember?
All right, folks, here we got some room here.
I want to see the cheese.
We'll get some of that cheese.
Get a cheese pull going here. Come on.
Oh,
Oh, no cheese pull. Oh, okay. Good enough. Try
right
it.
here. Cheese pull right there.
It's hot. Looks good. Is it good?
Oh, I think this is better than that one.
Because we put cheese block. Lots
Oh,
of cheese in there.
Oh, that cheese block. Oh,
We put
yeah.
lots of cheese in.
Oh, that cheese box makes this taste good.
Mm-hmm. Probably.
Thanks for watching. Hope this video is educational. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button. All right. Bye for now.